Ha ball-coiseachd go fásca má mór an ALBA, le cluibbí na cynneachach idfig na dúcha, agus iad a fíochain di corn a horsta gúine a bheith stácha smúneachach gur an na laichin cluiche ach go seachad.
I'd been away for the game for quite a long time. I played, when I was young, and I loved it every weekend. It was great just to go out playing football. So I missed it, and I missed the friendship, the chat, the laughs, and I retired last year. And I said to one of my friends that retired, look, we need to get back into this. And I found out through Giffnock that this was available, so I thought, I'll give it a go.
Well, to be honest, last September I came along because I knew Maggie, I think you've spoken to, and Emily were coming to try it out. And I thought, I'll go along, going out for a walk with a friend, I'll go along, give them a wee bit of support and just say, hey, go girls. But one of the players went off injured and they said to me, you can go on if you like. I had walking boots on, a tartan shirt, a cagoule, and I went on and I had the best time ever. And for about a week afterwards, I was laughing on the inside, laughing on the outside, and I thought, you know what, that's the best time I've had for a while. I think I'll go back.
Chanela ddíadachas an duine haid ball-coiseachd Cluinnidh. Han amasach go a fíochain di barach gúine haring gan a game edachgal.
It's such a good opportunity for people that have played, people that haven't played, all skills, all shapes, all sizes. And I just love being back with my pals again, out to play with my pals.
Well, I really wanted to try team sport. I'd never had the opportunity to do anything in teams, growing up. And I wanted to try something new and also something that I felt would be good for a new starter and something that can meet other ladies of similar ages. And I met a friend, a mum who was doing, also coming to her son's football, and she said she'd started, said it was really good fun.
So yeah, I started just to get fit and meet people, and so I didn't really like just doing exercising on my own, and I thought doing a team sport would be fun.
Sé rút brosnach a hawn a bhí clúinjin rút an ma bó cluichetar an mar bhari agus séra. Gís nach de smúnich díad me dhéing ball-coiseachd.
Absolutely never. I'm completely intimidated by the sport. I'd always been kind of put off, thought it was a bit scary or whatever. So no, never would have done it otherwise other than this, when it's really friendly. And their bottom line is they're open to everyone, so inclusive, really inclusive to new starts, and they're so welcoming. And first day when I didn't know what I was doing, there was none of this, you're terrible, everyone's in, playing together, mixed abilities.
Oh yeah, totally, yeah.
Which is really good because it brings you on.
It was just really great fun. It's such a laugh. Everyone's just, we're all just learning. So as we do things wrong, we're just kind of laughing with each other.
Super friendly and really welcoming, and just a really nice spirit.
Hai chomad do sewn chluichetar Barbara agus Maggie a bhí feichin clubbichin a leid Giofnag, a dort corma de vodanich ag Jeferation agus Comason cluiche. Leis go bhfuil cyn nachgasan I techo dyddif sa bhai, and a bhí a fáing áte is on game a chluich.
Well, like a lot of girls, I played a wee bit, when I was young. I always wanted to play, but there were a few doors closed and doors that were difficult to open. I was at a session a few weeks back, and Vivian, the chairwoman of the SWFA, she was talking about their aim to create as many pathways as possible for girls and women who want to play football. And I think this is, I suppose, an example of that.
For me, again, I was involved in the Women's Football Association many years ago, and it was an ongoing fight, it was an ongoing struggle, but you did it. So for me, seeing this, seeing pathways, I'm seeing pathways from grassroots, the women's game, the league, the international team, and then this for the old birds. It's just wonderful to see, wonderful.
Yn draste, sawn le Giffnock ha cwchbe ball-coiseachd na ban an ALBA, agus had a geiri greimain dynile, gus páirte gal cóladú ag farpasin ille a had I cheing.
I would say to all my ex-teammates, come back, you'll love it. They might get kicked now and again, but you'll love it. It's great, physical health, mental health. I'm recovering from knee surgery, but I'm still here doing a bit of coaching. So no, get back, girls, come on.
When I come along here on a Sunday, I'm kind of taken back to when I was a wee girl and I was going out to play, And when you come here on a Sunday, that's what it feels like. So I would encourage any women out there, whether you've played before or never played before, just come along, watch the session, give it a try, and then see what you think. It's our national sport, and it's so important for us to, stay active, stay connected. It makes the nation a healthier place.